Sana helwa, sana helwa, sana helwa, yari yan. Happy birthday, Lord. Surprise! Surprise, surprise! Alam namin, nagtatampo ka. Kasi kala mo, hindi namin alam. Pero alam namin, diba? Wish namin sa'yo is good health lagi. Stay safe, stay strong. More away to come. Away ba't di, syempre. Pero, alam naman namin na di nyo matiis ang isa't isa. So, alam mo na. Diba? Away pati lang session. And, syempre, salamat dahil ikaw naging superior namin. Oh, may butihing puso para sa amin, sa kanyang mga anak, anak-anakan, kahit na matatanda na kami kaysa sa iyo, di ba? Yun lang. Tapos, basta masaya kami at ikaw naging superior namin. Di ba? Kahit adik ka, adik na rin kami. Di ba? Tingnan mo lang yan. Damay-damay na to, Lods. Okay, so yun lang. More birthdays to come and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Diba? We love you. Bye. Happy birthday. Hello guys. Good afternoon. Good morning. Happy birthday, Ian. Sorry sa mga sinasabi ko noon. Hindi ko naman sinasadya. And sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. And good health. Also, happy birthday and God bless you. Yun lang. Bye.
Hi, Adik. Happy birthday. Nagba-birthday ka pala. Good health lang. Tsaka tigil-tigilan mo na, uy. Basta good health. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Superior. Mitch here. Happy birthday. May the lights of the candles enlighten your life for the rest of the days. I'm thinking about you and wishing you a good things. Live your life and forget your age. My heartest wishes to you on your birthday. Ingat po dyan parate at salamat sa patuloy na paghahagis ng ayuda sa app. Maraming salamat po. Just enjoy your day at huwag po laging magpuyat dahil health is wealth. Ika nga. God bless you, Superior. Mahal kita. Mwah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Superior. Sana po maging masaya kayo sa birthday niyo ngayon. Sana po bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at maraming blessing. Maraming salamat po at hindi niyo po kami iniiwan, mapapo po, mapatelo. Andyan pa rin po kayo pa rin po ang superior namin. Maraming salamat po. God bless you and good health. Love you po.
Happy birthday po, Superior. Ako po si Tita Kalimlim from Pangasinan po. Happy birthday ulit and God bless you po.
Hello po, Agent, Boss, Superior Ian. Ito pong name na ito ang tanging tawag po sa inyo. Happy birthday po. Naway, hiling ko po sa inyong kaarawan ay pagpalain po kayo ng ating Panginoon. Gabayan po nawa kayo at bigyan ng malusog na pangangatawan at mahabang buhay po. God bless po and more birthday to come po sa inyo, Superior.
Hello po, Superior. Happy birthday po. Ang wish ko po sa inyo, more blessing, more candles to blow, good health palagi, at more happiness in life. Muli, happy birthday po uli. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Boss Ian. Happy birthday po. More birthday to come. God bless. And thank you po sa pag-share ng blessings sa amin. Mag-ingat po kayo dyan palagi.
Thank you.
Bye! See you soon
Thank you
po.
very much.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday po, Boss Ian. Sana po maging masaya po kayo sa birthday nyo. Sabi po ni Mama.
Hi, Boss Ian. Happy birthday. Ingat po lagi. God bless. Thank you.
Birthday Ian, my simple greetings for your special day. I hope lagi kang masaya and sana good health ka, good relationship with God and Mom Angie and your family. Thank you so much sa lagi mong blessing sa amin na umaapaw and thank you sa pagiging superior namin. Thank you so much. Happy birthday again. God bless you always.
A blessed birthday, Boss Ian. Wishing you a good health, a good love life, and more big wins. Wow! May our Almighty God bless, protect, and guide you for all your endeavors. God bless.
Happy birthday, Boss Ian. More birthdays to celebrate and more candles to blow. God bless.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Boss Ian. Mag-ingat po palagi. More birthday to come. Enjoy your day po, Boss Ian. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday, Boss Ian. May God continue to bless you. Enjoy your day.
Blessed happy birthday, Boss Ian. May God continue to bless you, keep you protected, and always keep you safe. Maraming salamat po for always being there for us po. God bless. Happy birthday po.
Hello po, Superior. Happy birthday po. At wish ko po na patuloy po kayong ingatan ni Lord at i-bless po sa inyong buhay. Maraming salamat po, Superior. Dahil po sa inyo, kayo po ang naging daan para po tayo po ay magkasama-sama, maging magkakaibigan. Mula po sa Popo hanggang sa Telo po. Narayan po kayo para sa amin, Superior. At wish ko din po na patuloy po at maging matibay pa ang relationship nyo ni Ma'am Nix. God bless po at more birthdays po, Superior.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday po, Superior. I wish you good health and long life. Enjoy your day and God bless. Thank you.
Hi, Superior Ian. Wishing you a beautiful and blissful birthday. May this day fill your heart with joy, bring happy moments, and leave beautiful memories. Wish you also good health and wonderful blessings. We miss you sa Popo at sana bigyan lagi sa dream party at Telo para may share ang blessings sa iba. Okay lang po yun kung hindi ako maka-join. Salamat po sa mga hagis ninyong blessings sa amin. God bless you more and enjoy your day. Cheers and we love you. On behalf of Diamond Team, Agent Arlene. Bye-bye!
Happy birthday to you, shining star, shining star. May your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Happy birthday, sending joy to you, wrapped in love and happiness so true. Tomorrow and the future will walk together. Today's the best new start forever. Happy birthday, shine so bright. Reach out for your dreams tonight. Let's sing together and shout out loud. Congratulations, we love you, so proud.
Hi, Hams! Surprise! Na-surprise ka ba sa pa-birthday namin sa'yo? Happy birthday, Habs! Sana maging masaya ka sa birthday mo. Ang wish ko lang naman sa'yo, maging masaya ka. Tsaka bawasan mo na rin yung pagiging adik mo kakas. Alam mo na yung gusto ko mangyari lagi sa'yo. Diba? Paulit-ulit ko na lang sinasabi sa'yo na mas gusto ko maging masaya ka lagi. Tapos, Habs, hindi ko masabihin ko. Basta, Abs, kahit anong mangyari, nandito lang ako para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal kita. Once again, happy birthday. Pwede bang pakis?
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday in the sun from tonight.
Birthday mo raw. Greetings! Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday po. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Ayan, maingay kami dito kasi nagsa-celebrate kami dahil birthday mo. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Continue to be kind, continue to touch other people's lives, and isang maligaya, mapayapa na kaarawan. Stay kind.
I hope that on your special day, the same love, joy, and happiness that you bring to others will be brought to you as well. And God bless, and we wish you all the best.
Hello! Enjoy ka ngayong araw mo. God bless you.
Wish you a happy birthday. I hope to see you soon. God bless in everything you do. Ingat ka.
Have a great day.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. And may you always be happy.
Happy birthday. God bless. Sana masaya sa birthday mo.
Happy birthday po. God bless you. May you have many more. Oh, by the way, I'm Sharon. Nice to meet you. No, nice. Never mind. See you soon.
Happy birthday po. Sana makarating ako sa inyong kaarawan. Lagi po kayo mag-ingat. God bless you and more power. At lagi niyo po ingatan na inyong health.
Happy birthday. It's your birthday. It's your day. Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. God bless you. Wish you all the best. Happy birthday.
This is Lonnie Misalucha. I just want to greet you a happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you and I hope you have an all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Surprise! Sana maging sobrang masaya po ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Enjoy mo yan. Happy birthday. God bless.